Hi, explorers! Have you ever wondered what would happen if trees could walk every night? I think we're about to find out. Look at this oak. It's magnificent, but it lives under a massive biological disadvantage. While animals can pack up and leave when resources run dry, a tree is stuck exactly where it was planted. If a larger neighbor grows over it and steals the sunlight, or if a severe drought parches the soil, this tree is trapped. It has no way to escape the local conditions. Wait, the sun is setting, and look, the roots are actually tearing free from the dirt. The whole forest is uprooting itself. A tree that can walk can solve a decade-long drought in a single night. This sudden mobility allows a plant to outrun environmental threats that would normally be a death sentence. We're on the move. These trees aren't wandering aimlessly. They are actively hunting for a better place to live. They leave behind depleted, dry dirt on the left. Their target is the profile on the right, deep, moist soil packed with minerals. Marching toward a riverside secures a water source that would be unreachable if they stayed put. The canopy is full of stowaways tonight. Thousands of residents are moving right along with the branches. Birds, squirrels, and colonies of insects are currently receiving a high-speed transport to a new destination, whether they realize it or not. When these animals wake up, they'll be miles away. This triggers a massive cross-pollination event as they drop seeds and pollen from their old homes into a brand new environment. This migration doesn't just relocate the trees, it forcefully blends entire micro-ecosystems together, shifting the biological makeup of the landscape overnight. The journey has brought us into the city. Imagine waking up to find a massive oak tree has planted itself right in the middle of the town square. You picked a good spot. This neighborhood was full of concrete and hot air. By showing up here, you're providing shade and filtering the air for everyone nearby. The morning commute would be pure chaos. People would walk out of their homes to find the local park moved 3 blocks down, or a new forest has sprouted in their driveway. Scientists would be scrambling to map the underground communication networks. Moving a whole forest in unison requires an incredible level of coordination between the trees. The moment these trees plant themselves, the local temperature drops and the air clears. Their arrival highlights how much these concrete spaces benefit from a sudden injection of nature. The sun is back up and everything is still. In our world, trees obviously can't pull up their roots and walk away. But they do move. Through phototropism, a tree is constantly bending its body and shifting its leaves to capture every possible drop of sunlight. Underground, the movement is even more aggressive. Roots are constantly tunneling through the earth, searching for moisture and minerals with incredible persistence. If you watch a forest over centuries, you'll see a macro-migration. It expands borders in one direction while shrinking in another, moving across the map. This happens as seeds scatter, each sapling representing a small step in a centuries-long journey. So, what would you do if a walking tree visited your yard? I would love to hear your ideas. From a single midnight sprint to a slow 1,000-year march, forests never stop searching for better ground. They are always on the move, reshaping the map one footstep at a time.
Hey, explorers! Like and subscribe! Let's spark your curiosity!